Alright guys, we're downtown Orlando at Lake Eola Park, one of the main parks here in downtown. And you can rent the swan boats, you can take the nice walking trail all around. They got some police on bicycles patrolling, so it's a very safe area for the whole family to come and enjoy. Alright, let's get a quick video here. All these doggies walking together. Woo! Hey, doggies. You know, I'm actually surprised to see that you can't bike.
No bikes even.
So it appears to be a walking trail only then. A lot of nice birds around the park. Right here you got something cool. Nice little pond here. Huh. Yeah.
There's some ducklings on the pond too.
Yeah, some small little guys. Got funny colored beaks too. Lake Eola Park was originally established in 1888. It then had an expansion in 1993 and another in 2013. The trail runs 0.9 miles in length. Weird face.
Strange looking, yeah.
Huh. So walking only, no biking. It's a little disappointing. I mean, I guess it's nice actually when you're walking, but it would be really nice to have another, secondary path for bikers. I mean, it's a nice enough loop. It's, not too long, but it's enough to enjoy a little bike around for sure.
There's a bunch of turtles right over here.
Now look at these guys. Some real cool trees here. Yep. Low branches. It's like this branch is like growing into the ground. Wow, touching the ground there and then going back up. How interesting is that? Very large trees. Unbelievable. No fishing or swimming. That's a little bit of a shame too that you can't fish. I mean, that would add a whole nother kind of recreational activity for people to do. The guy power washing way up there.
All the way at the top.
How'd you like that job? I mean, I'm thinking no thank you. And here we are back at the start of Lake Eola Park.